Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got another quick unboxing and bagging to do from an item I got from Amazon. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and push the bell notification icon for future updates. Apologize, I have the hiccups for some reason. Alright. Bag open. So this is a Craftsman item. These you can get at, you can get this 2-pack at Lowe's. I picked it up from Amazon because I ended up getting these 3. So I ended up getting these 3 easy red ones right here. And quick, short explanation. Before I was in my vehicle accident, I got an email from Amazon because I'm an Amazon Prime member, as well as I'm an affiliate, and it stated that if I started using the Amazon Photos app on my phone, I get $15 credit to anything I wanted to purchase on Amazon, which was kind of an incentive to me. So I downloaded it and I uploaded all the the photos I had on my phone, because you get unlimited high definition photo storage through the Amazon Photos, as well as you get 5 gigs for video. You can pay for extra, which I'm not going to use it for video, but the other nice thing is you can also install the Amazon Photos on your computer, and it helps videos. Like when I do videos for you guys, it kind of helps. If I take pictures on my phone, I normally have to plug my phone in, or I have to take my case off my phone if I want to take the memory card out, because I got to take the case off and all that. But normally I usually just plug my phone into my computer, but it takes, 10-15 minutes. It recognizes it, kind of transfers a little slow because my computer is older. And it just makes doing the videos for you guys a little bit more difficult, kind of more annoying for me. And I realized that if you install it on the computer as well, you could just open the app on the computer and then just directly download some of the photos that you want from that. So nice thing about the Amazon Photos app is as soon as you plug your phone in, it will automatically start uploading to the Amazon Photos for your photos. And they're backed up, and that's nice. And I take a ton of photos for you guys, whether it's on the community page or Instagram or Facebook, or I post them, in videos. I do lots of photos. So it makes life a little easier. Instead of picking this up at Lowe's, I figured, you know what, I'll just throw this in because it was $15 off $30. This was like 24 bucks right here. This was 10. No, this was $22 and this was 10. Came out to $32, which was close enough. I think this might have been actually a couple dollars more. It might have been 24 like I originally said. I just don't remember. Been a lot going on since I ordered these like a week before my accident, and my accident was 5 days ago, and they just showed up. But the part number on this is Charlie Mary Mary Tony 98343. Magnetic, collapsible, full lifetime warranty. Collapsible design allows for low profile storage. Each tray measures 3/4 inch tall and collapsed position into 2 inches in expanded position. Get this open. It's gonna be one of those packages. Freaking clamshells, man. sure I didn't damage them any. Doesn't look like I damaged that one. Nope, doesn't look like I damaged them. So these are just labeled as Craftsman. They actually look just like the Easy Reds, to be honest. Same height, same design. They even look like the exact same dimensions, to be honest. So this one's Easy Red, this one is Craftsman, but if you look at the back, they're exactly the same on the magnets. So they feel the same, kind of the exact same silicone. So it's pretty nice. So if I put this one over the Easy Red, they're exactly the same. So looks like Easy Red probably might be the maker of these. They're the exact same height, 2 inches. These two are the Easy Reds feel a little bit more sturdy. That would be my opinion. This one's making an interesting noise. This one's not. This Craftsman one sounds fine. Sounds like the magnets in this one are a little bit loose in the housing, but yeah. The magnets are a little loose in that one, but it'll be alright. I picked them up, to get $15 off all of these. It's not bad. I've never had any of these trays before. They're actually hitting the actual plastic tray, because they are basically, it's just this tray right here. And all it does is it just sits in the bottom. So, looks like I'm going to have to re-glue these magnets. You can see that they're actually right here. So that might be the issue. Looks like the magnets may have gotten loose. If I can even get half of them up. There. So they're definitely going to need to be re-glued in this tray. But, all in all, they're nice little trays. I ain't got much else to say about them until I've used them quite a bit. Which is okay. I'm used to just, the thicker magnetic trays. I'm used to these guys, like these Pittsburghs. And Husky makes these. It's just, these are a lot stronger. These are really large magnets. They can hold things and be mounted hanging. So I will repair this one. Probably just put some super glue in the magnets. It should be good to go. I'm not sure if the Easy Reds do the same thing. If you can pop these out. Yep. They also do the same thing. You can take the tray out. So you could always upgrade. these trays and put, you know, several more magnets in here if you wanted to. But all in all, you know, for 15 bucks, it's not bad, to be honest with you. It's not bad at all. Appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Maybe I'll buy some more Craftsman items from Lowe's instead of Amazon. It's just, this was convenient. You know, if you guys want to see more Craftsman stuff from Lowe's, let me know. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!